everybody, this is day 2. I have a bag that's covering my legs and I'm scared I'm gonna get sunburned. I have scarf that's covering my sleeveless top as well. We're at McDonald's. We got smarter today. We're not going inside because last time we went in we had to pay for parking. So yeah, we are in drive-thru. So the Gojek is a popular app just like Uber and Uber Eats in North America, where they deliver meals and also transport people. We got stuck on traffic light but got medium fries and a iced cappuccino. Next we are going to look at the traffic, you guys. Next we are going to the gas station. Cruising closer to Waterfall. That place is where we get ticket apparently, and we're gonna go to Waterfall. I'll keep you guys posted. Look at these god statues. We're gonna purchase some tickets here. So before we go to our ticket counter, I'm just gonna take some pictures. Those are the statues of, let me see if I can zoom. Those are the statues of Krishna. And I'm gonna take some pictures because that's gonna make Baba happy. So let's go there. Yes, we need to walk because we have parked our car here. Hi. But this is giving me Pokhara vibe. How pretty it's down there. So we are on our way to Waterfall. It was 20,000. Was it 20,000? 20,000. So it was 20,000 per person. Is not bad. Look, this circus is so pretty. I had to piss on the way. Washroom wasn't the best, but it was definitely doable. They ran out of soap. It was terrible, but other than that, it's so greenery. This thing. Oh, my lungs must have been so happy because they're getting extra fresh oxygen. Yeah. And all the way and took the staircase to reach here. I'm already sweating. It's so humid. If you guys can hear me, cause the waterfall is literally right here, and there are people all the way down there. But we somehow climbed up here, so we're just gonna go down. It's definitely gonna be a workout for us. But look at the view. Literally sweating. We spent almost an hour just taking pictures there. Now we're gonna go down because it's so humid. I don't know if it's because the forest is around, so that's blocking the wind. I don't know where's my makeup, I don't know where's my sunscreen, but not complaining. I'm literally loving this. I have never been to waterfall, so this is my first time. I'm absolutely loving it. We're gonna go down there, but to get there we have to bamboo bridge. That looks very exciting. So yeah, we're just gonna go down there. We didn't get these and especially view from that resort. I'm sure it looks fantastic. There's a big waterfall. All the way down to waterfall. We're on top there, upstairs. I'm sweating. I'm sorry if I'm just saying I'm sweating. I'm so much sweating. I'm not used to this. My hair, it's stick to my face. But yes, made it all the way to waterfall. We're just gonna cross this bridge now. And we're gonna walk all the way there. It's definitely a lot cooler here compared to out there. Yes, thank you. We walked away from the waterfall. Now we're gonna have an ice cream. Thank you. Time for an ice cream. We ditched our plan to go all the way up on the bridge because we're really tired. But one thing I noticed in Bali is a lot of god statues. The gods? I'm not sure if this is temple, but this is definitely giving me temple vibe. Oh, it's lit up there. Go to this the gateway to exit the waterfall. It closes at 6:30 and it's pretty close to 6:30, so we're just gonna get out of the waterfall and we'll eat somewhere else. Like as I was saying, it's closing. It's actually closing. Starving. I'm not famished yet, but a little hungry. It's time to fuel ourselves. We're stopping at pizzeria place before we reach our villa. It's on the way, which is not bad. But yeah, eating something Italian today. This place is pretty late. But let me show you guys around. That's it. Just gonna go in, eat something. We'll eat pizza because Italian, why not? velvety too is something Italian.